wiring the alternator, ground to the block. Yeah, so one other thing that probably needs to be redone is the fuel line running in here. That was one of the other things they mentioned. The fuel line where it goes down through there, it's just 2-inch engine, but you actually walk on it when you go in there.
Oh, okay.
So it isn't starting to wear away, but they said if you do, but I don't store anything back there, so it hasn't gotten beaten up. But
could you sleep in there, Joey? Back in it?
Actually, the question is can you get by on the right side? So as long as you can fit by on the right side, you can pivot around and you can work on it from
Yeah, you
behind.
could actually.
You could?
I could get back there.
Yeah. Actually, and it's very roomy back there, and you can also get in it from the back door. So there's a back door on the back side on both sides.
Oh.
See, there's doors on both sides, so you can get in it from either side. So you can actually have 3 people working on it if you want, and designed so that you can get the engine out that way.
So you can remove it.
You can remove it, so you don't have to remove it this way.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, so it's a good design, really. They made it very accessible.
What engine work would you recommend, like in the next 2 years?
You said that
check compression. Check compression on it. It should be fine. Check the prop when it's hauled. So, yeah, I haven't checked the prop in a while.
What kind of prop do you have on?
Three blades fixed. So standard. No, I mean, it motors at full speed without. I mean, at like 2/3 motors.
How much fuel per hour do you have?
No, I'm on the almost original tank of gas. The 50 gallon right here. So I filled it up when I bought it, and I putter out with the soda.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I mean, I've used almost no gas.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I mean, all I'm doing is getting out. So almost no consumption. Then I run it every once in a while just to check everything.
Yeah.
So actually, it probably is near empty at this point. It has to be. So I filled it. I filled it once when I bought it. I filled it once since then.
So
Huge tank.
Yeah.
you generate AC when the motor's running.
Yeah.
And
No,
that's
generate DC when the motor's
I'm
running.
sorry. And then you have an alternate.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think, Jerry?
Okay. How old are they?
1 year.
Wow. So these
Brand
are
new.
fairly new.
Yeah, they're brand new because last year the ones went out.
So he's got brand new.
That's nice.
You might want to take a look, Joey.
yeah, I saw.
Sure.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
The mystery spot. Battery banks both held down. Goes up through the hole, past the water heater, which is right around the corner from the engine. The engine wires, starting wires, all come back to starter box for easy troubleshooting, which should be mounted right about there. And pump out, manual pump out. When you're working on the engine, take that off right there. It makes it a lot easier to get to. There you go.
Thank you, sir. Wow. Double sealed windows. Whisker pull. Hatch. Anchor winch.
That's nice too.
Whisker pull. Careful what you wish for.
Yeah, well, it's been a while. I'm starting a company, so I've got.
You don't make me ask. What kind of company?
We're creating a new medical device.
Oh, cool.
Oh yes, the boat when I was doing the engine. Oh yeah. Engine harness.
Do you know how much the freshwater capacity is?
200 gallons, I believe. Yeah.
And you thought your tank for the toilet is...
What's that?
Size of your tank?
Oh, it's tiny. It's like...
8 gallons.
Pump out is... No, it doesn't have a pump.
So you bring right
It's
down
not-
to the
it's a
toilet
site.
itself?
No, it's a site. Oh, you can just pump out, but that's thicker. Up here. So, waste, water's over there.
Oh, water. Is fuel here too, or is that 2 tanks?
No. There's,
Both water.
2 tanks, 2 independent tanks.
Oh, okay.
Water, and remember when I said on the side where that was a switcher?
Yes.
So a switcher between the 2 tanks. So right now they're just in common.
Where do you put fuel in?
Fuel? Back in the corner.
I'm sorry, I'm getting you running all over here.
That's right.
Oh, okay, right there.
Everything solid? A little slow, but these will help.
Yeah, I was noticing it's a little tight. Is there... Yeah, you know, I've never had them do maintenance.
The box that comes off. Yeah, and then lithium grease. Yeah, it hasn't
Okay,
been done in
fuel's
a
right
long,
here.
long time. Honestly, new engines are nice. But these ones are hot.
Yeah, these ones.
New engines are nice. Those get all crusty. Well, not a preventer, but a little crusty.
Wow. We like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
Let me see. Out of curiosity, what is the berthing rate here? We pay $160 for our 28-foot slip.
So this, they just raised it $20. So they raised it $2 a foot. So this is technically a 32 and a 30 slot. They just raised it at $60 on me. So I'm now 320, something like that.
320.
So
Okay.
it's 245, just raised 60, so it's 305 now.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Yeah,
Right when the
crazy.
economy goes bad,
This is private marina though. The nice thing is it's a private marina. So when you're living, well, I was living board, so it mattered.
Yeah. We'll we'll look around and see. I don't know. Let's see. Ours is 30, and we're paying. We're in a 28, and we're paying $160. I think it might be cheaper where we are, huh?
26.
Yeah, but our boat's 26, but the slip is 28.
Slip is,
It's all just kind of wood that you can choose. Okay. So the nice thing is, yeah. So the runs basically go up the ladder.